And in this video we are going to show you how to remove the display from the Mercedes C-Class 2013, which is similar to the other years. The tools that you need is this dashboard removal tool plus two small flat screwdriver and the size T20 Torx screwdriver. The first step, you need to pop the bezel around the air conditioning vent. You pop it. It's very tight here. You have to pop it out and then here is a tricky part. You have to put the air conditioning the vents in a horizontal position, and then what I would recommend, use a flashlight, and then you would be able to see on the right and the left side of the vents there are two little clips which you have to insert your screwdriver behind it, and the push screwdriver to the right on the passenger side and to the left on the driver side. And this, what it does, it releases the lock for the air conditioning vent would come out. I'll show you in a second how to. And there is a small plug, by the way, here you need to disconnect in order to get this AC vents out. And here are the clips on the side. Yeah, when you insert your screwdriver, it goes behind the clips, and then you push it inward, and then it will release the lock. And you do the same thing on the driver's side. And the next step, you need to remove the bezel around the monitor. You just pop it out. This is for the lower one, and you do the same thing for the upper. And there's no screws involved, just clips. And here's the upper cover. The same thing, you get this out. And then for the monitor, as you can see, there are two covers. One the driver's side, one passenger side. You need to slide it to the right on the driver's side. Just insert you need to use a very fine dashboard removal tool or a small flat screwdriver. You have to be careful not to scratch it, and then you push that one to the left, and then it pops out. Both of them, they just slides out. Now you remove the Torx size T20 screws, which holds the whole panel for the monitor. Once you get those two screws out, then you can remove the whole panel which around the cluster, and it's all one piece. So the cluster comes up with the panel. And if you need any repair for the monitor, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085. And also in the process, if you need to remove your speedometer cluster, you just continue doing that by just removing the mounting screws for the cluster, and then you can get the cluster out.